So first you remove the wheel. It's held on with 5/8 inch lug nuts, or axle nut, and a washer. Bend out the washer. Remove the nut. It's not on there that tight. It's a 38mm socket. When I first removed this, it was really stuck on there. And I used 2 hammers to pound it off, and it took a little while. But now it's nice and loose and easy to go on and off. There's also a key in there, but I have it out right now so I can spin this around while I adjust the brakes. You want the axle to be nice and greased up. And that's the inside of the drum. I have fluid filmed in there. And no, I did not get any fluid film where the brake surfaces touch. Just trying to prevent rust over the long term. That's the brake setup. It's real simple. Similar to a car. When you press the brake pedal, this is what happens. Basically the lever up here, it expands the pads against the drum. The way you adjust the pads is with this. Spin it this way to expand the pads. Spin it this way to contract the pads. There's also an adjustment up here. Got a 15mm lock nut and a 17mm nut that you can spin and adjust. Now what's nice is there is a little access port for the adjustment. You just go in through the back with a flathead screwdriver. You don't even have to take the drum off. It's good to take it off so you can make sure it's not stuck on there and everything like that. Now the way to actually adjust the brake pads is put the drum on without the key so that you can spin the drum around. Sometimes you gotta wiggle the brake pads around to get it to go back on. Then use your flathead to go in from the back and adjust that thing to expand the pads, just so that you start feeling a little friction. On the drum, and then maybe back it off just a little bit. Then put your key in, put your wheel back on, take the tractor for a test drive. Only activate the brake on this side and see if it stops the wheel like it should be doing. You got those split brake pedals, just unlatch the one. So just keep adjusting it until it works correctly. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this. To tighten this nut, I just thread it on until it stops, of course, and then I just tighten it until it moves the inner components of the differential. You want to bend the washer back over the nut, and that should be good. I don't really torque down the lug nuts, I just tighten them down. It's just a tractor, like you're not going that fast.